What's up YouTube? It's your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. Today we are on the hunt for a Christmas tree. Let's get it. Look who's here. It's been a while, hasn't it? It's Miss Alexandra. For some of you guys do not know, this is my wife.
My wife.
That's
Cheers.
my wife. Cheers. And today we're on a hunt for a Christmas tree. We're in the Subaru. We're going to put it on the roof and hopefully it doesn't fall. Do you think it might fall? I've never done this before.
I've never done this, so with our luck, it's gonna fall.
So
stay tuned. Stay tuned, folks. Stay tuned.
this could be an interesting video, so definitely stay tuned. We gotta go Canadian Tire, grab some rope, and I need some coolant for the 10 gen because that's going back to stock, as some of you guys know. And let's go on a little adventure, guys. We arrived at Canadian Tire. I gotta get some rope and some lovely stuff, right, Alexandra? I'm not gonna bring you guys in. It might be a little weird carrying a big camera. If it was on my phone, I would, because it'd be a lot easier, but the camera setup's decently big, so we're not gonna bring you in. We're just gonna go in quickly, and we'll see you in a second. Mission successful. We found everything we need. We found rope and everything. We're in and out within 10 minutes.
The quickest we've ever been at Canadian Tire before.
Let's make our way to Mr. Downies Farm and see if we can get a tree for ourselves. We might be coming onto the on-ramp just right now, or an off-ramp. Let's see what this little Subaru can do. Hopefully it doesn't break down on our way. Got it! Got it! And she's picking up. Honestly, it's not the quickest car. Mind you, it's stock, but honestly, it's so much fun. The car from like a dig really moves. The high-end power is kind of dead on it, unfortunately. But those are the little mods that we can do to the car, like a downpipe, cob, and stuff like that would definitely help the Subaru out. Sorry about the bumps. Very bumpy road, and Alexandra's trying her absolute best to keep this as steady as possible.
Yes.
But today we're on the hunt for a Christmas tree. I was really hoping it would be snowy and stuff like that, because my plan was to have a Christmas tree on the roof and do some snow drifts with it, and I thought that would have been pretty awesome. But unfortunately, we're getting freezing rain later, not snow. Miss Alexandra.
Yes.
You gotta turn the camera to yourself. You gotta vlog. Miss Alexandra. We'll do it quick because your arms are hurting.
My arms are hurting.
What do you think about the new Subaru? Well, the new old Subaru.
It's a bumpy ride. It's a bumpy ride.
It's because the lowering suspension.
I don't even know if I'm in the frame, but it's all good.
You can just.
You're here for the man of the hour, anyways. No, it's good. It's cute. It's cute car. Yeah, it's nice. Like, legit.
Cute.
When you go back to look at this, I'm gonna die of laughter because I don't think. I really don't think. But
Cute.
it's okay.
You're in the frame. You're almost there. This car's not cute. This car is
Dusty? No, what is it? Rusty but trusty. That's it.
But so far the car's been doing really good. I had a random engine light and it went away, so I'm very happy. So I'm assuming that was just evap or the O2 sensor. But it did go away, but the car's handling pretty good for what it is. I definitely need better tires and rims on here. The tires, I believe, have a flat spot from sitting so long. As some of you guys know, the car was sitting for about 7 years. So that's definitely happening. But I've always loved the wagons and hatches, and I've always wanted to do this, and I've seen some people do it with their cars and stuff, and I've been dying to put a Christmas tree on one of these lovely vehicles and, you know, try making it happen. This is a very bumpy road where we're going. We're just gonna fuel up with some Tim Hortons, and then, is that the line? Because we might not fuel up with Tim Hortons if that is the line.
I think that's the line.
We are not fueling up with Tim Hortons. Look at that line, it's gonna be like half an hour. Not for me, Becky.
No, thank you, Bob. We're gonna say a hard pass on that one there.
Oh yeah. So we're just going to, you know, do a little bit of a U-turn and make our way to Downies Farm. And then maybe after fuel up with a good old Tim's, you know, a cup of Joe, maybe a hearty little wrap, a farmer's wrap, just to, you know, get it.
Christmas.
As you guys can see, we've made it to Downies Farm. The bad thing is they don't look like they have a lot of selection. So let me go take a look with Alexandra.
And then we go part 2 for on a hunt for a tree.
They don't look like they have a lot of selection, so let Alexandra and I go look. I don't want to bring cameras, too many people here, too big of a camera. They don't have, doesn't look like much, and usually I get trees that are way too big anyway, so.
Yeah, because he likes big booty trees.
That's so dumb. But yeah, we'll be back in a few seconds. I have a feeling we're gonna have to do a trip somewhere else to go find a tree. Happen.
So we get to Downies. No trees, no trees. They have trees and beautiful trees, just not one that is touching our souls for this holiday season.
They weren't big booty, fill in the blank.
Trees, yeah.
Yeah, they weren't big booty trees. They were very skinny trees. So we're gonna make another trip.
Yeah.
So let's see.
Hopefully we find the tree there.
And if not, you guys are gonna see me strap a fake Christmas tree to the roof, and we're gonna call it a day.
That's it.
Looks like my Subaru is in the season as well. Decided to throw another light. So big bump. Now instead of the DCCD and the brake, now we have an engine light, which is great. So the engine light is probably an evap. We've tried checking a few times. It goes away and comes back. So that's what we're hoping. Are overrated. Any guys from the States that want it and haven't tried it, don't do it. It's just a normal Timbit. If you don't know what a Timbit is, it's basically the center of a donut that's made into like a little round ball of donuts. That tastes pretty good, but they tried doing this whole Timbit things and they're the exact same Timbits with just a little add-on. Very disappointing, Mr. Justin Bieber. We finally arrived here. The drive was actually a pretty awesome drive. We fueled up with some Tim Hortons, and now we're gonna check out some trees. I'll try capturing some of the process of us trying to mount the tree on the car. I think we'll be good with that, but I'm not gonna bring the camera in there. Too many people that want to invade their privacy. Check it out, it is up there. The gentleman here did it for us. This thing looks absolutely awesome with the thing. We're gonna get some photos, and the Subaru is ready to go. If there was only some snow, Alexandra, we do some snow drifts.
Not with me in the car.
But there is no snow.
No snow.
No snow, but this is absolutely awesome. I'm excited. So, thank you to the gentleman who helped us put it up there. I'm much happier knowing that he did it and I didn't. I bought a 100-footer rope, which you definitely don't need, but that's what they had at Canadian Tire, and he looked at us. I was trying to unravel it the entire time, and he's like, do you want to use our twine? I'm like, will your twine hold the trees? Like, yes. He's older, so he's been doing it for a long time, and I trust him. We got a beautiful tree. You guys will see it set up, and I'll be honest, like, I'm a big Christmas freak, and this whole Christmas tradition is something I used to do with my parents, and I'm doing with our family here. And yeah, I'm super excited about this. The only thing I actually hate is decorating trees. So I like the whole experience, except decorating the tree, and Alexandria will not let me just watch as she does it.
No, we do this together.
Yeah, so she makes me do it, so.
We do it together.
What are you eating there? Were we not talking about the Tim Biebs?
Yeah.
Were we not just talking about the Tim Biebs? And now you got?
I got the Tim Biebs.
So what do you think?
Yeah.
Do they taste all the same, eh?
They do taste the same.
I told you. All right.
But if you're looking for a box, I'm selling it for $1,000.
That is crazy.
Subscribe to the channel.
So, we're gonna make our way back. It's about a 40-minute drive. I will see you guys home, and you guys are actually gonna see the inside of my house and stuff. This is a very personal vlog. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Mission success. We are home. The tree is safe. Buddy's yarn with these knots. He did an amazing job. He said he was in the Boy Scouts, and I guess it's paid off, dude. Good job. Thanks, man. So we've somewhat set up the tree so far, as you guys can see. What we're doing now is we put it into the stand and we're letting it just rest, because you have to let it rest so it can open up before decorating. But yeah, that's how it's looking so far. Hugo, you like our tree? Do you like the tree, bro? Do you like Hey, do you like the tree? I wonder if this thing will focus in on you. There you go. Hey, Hugo, look at me. Hugo, do you like the tree? Do you like it? Was it good? Good choice? Yeah, it was a good choice. All right, guys. This is gonna be us decorating our tree. I feel like one of those like vloggers, you know, this girl vlogger. Hey guys, this is our tree. This is how we decorate it. I'm just inviting you guys into my home and experiencing what I experience every day, which is nothing too special, but kinda, I guess.
What do you mean? You spend time with me, that's special.
But you know, I'm just joking. Okay, we're gonna tackle this. It's about to go fast forward in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
How did we do this so quick? How did we do this so quick? Not even one argument.
Yo, not even one argument. This, I swear to God, this is the best looking tree that we've had, and we didn't even argue.
We didn't even argue.
We usually argue.
We always get into like major fights when we do the tree.
Like decorating it and things don't work out, you know?
It turned out so good. What the?
The first time Alexandra and I did our tree, we did it 3 times. 3 times, and we argued and argued. This is our like 5th or 6th Christmas here, and the tree came out amazing. I don't know if it was just lucky or it's because we were recording for you guys, but I swear to God, usually we argue and we're doing this for hours. This came out so much better. Mind you, I usually get trees that are like 7 to 8 feet tall.
Yeah, we get more plump ones.
And this just worked out so well. So
good.
So one of 2 things. I'm either gonna record every Christmas for you guys, and we're gonna do this again, or I'm just gonna get a smaller tree, because one of those 2 things, or both of those things, was what helped it today. Amazing.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear.
Now if only Mr. Santa Claus himself will have my 2022 BRZ ready, because that would be amazing. It should be here before Christmas. Wish me luck. I hope so. All right, everybody. We just want to say thank you very much for watching the vlog. This is our Christmas tree. The WRX did an absolutely great job. This was just a bit of a vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It is Xmas or Vlogmas anyway, so we decided to throw out a bit of a vlog for you guys. Alexandra, you're a pro at decorating. Well done.
Thank you.
I think we're getting better at this. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Do it once.
Do it right.
Like, comment, subscribe. Later.